They are crushed, shredded, compressed, and recycled by machines designed to withstand forces far exceeding those of typical accidents. This is green technology under extreme pressure. It proves that industrial accidents carry risks far beyond everyday traffic collisions, where energy levels are controlled but rarely forgiving. Each 500-pound tire bale from the REB 2 to 250 prevents landfill overflow by compressing bulky rubber into dense blocks. Sierra machines reduce transportation costs while cutting emissions, showing that recycling is not just engineering, it is environmental responsibility. Heavy machinery can directly protect communities from waste pollution. Scrap handling cranes emerged in the mid-20th century, when recycling facilities were overwhelmed by massive volumes of retired vehicles. In the past, dismantling a bus took days. Today, it takes minutes. That shift marks a critical milestone in modern recycling technology. A 12-ton Nissan excavator paired with the Westech Woodcracker W1000 generates up to 280 kilonewtons of hydraulic force. That energy translates into splitting poplar logs nearly 1 meter thick with controlled precision, turning raw wood into ready-to-process material. While road accidents damage parts of a vehicle, scrapyard claws completely crush a compact car. What once required weeks of dismantling can now be done in minutes. This contrast highlights how modern mechanical technology has revolutionized the way old vehicles are processed and recycled. Compared to small farm shredders, the Eschelbuch Biber 84 stands apart in scale and power. Smaller units may take an entire day to process a few cubic meters, while this red beast chews through tons per hour. It's the clear difference between domestic equipment and industrial-grade machinery. The Squalo 4000 vertical shear from Ing. Bonfiglioli slices HMS scrap with 4,000 tons of cutting force. Its inclined design reduces vibration and saves energy, transforming oversized waste into compact feedstock. Think of it as applied physics, kinetic energy converted into recycling efficiency. Compared to manual dismantling, JMC machines save hours of labor and drastically reduce accident risk. What takes a worker hours to break down, JMC completes in minutes. The contrast shows how automation is replacing human strain in heavy industries. Recycling wood waste from demolition sites reduces landfill use. Instead of burning and polluting the air, the material is transformed into valuable feedstock. Waste becomes resource. Carbon emissions drop, and the circular economy gains real momentum. Watching the Model 1000 shred everything from plastic barrels to metal frames raises a simple question. Is there anything it cannot handle? It feels like an industrial challenge thrilling to watch, yet grounded in real technological purpose. Raw power here isn't reckless. It demonstrates the strength of modern engineering. A closer look at the Taza 280 reveals dual rotating shafts with controlled torque, preventing dangerous kickback. With 150 tons of force, safety depends on strict operating protocols, proving that power without control has no place in green technology. The MNJ4000 delivers nearly 320 0 feet-pounds of torque through slow-turning twin shafts, grinding stumps while minimizing energy spikes. This design improves safety and explains why Danish recycling technology is considered among the world's most reliable. Watching hardened flooring vanish in under 2 seconds is unsettling and impressive. The crack echoes with authority, yet the precision makes it strangely satisfying. Hats off to the operators managing these mechanical beasts with discipline and skill. The Zerma shredder applies over 200 kilobars of cutting force, breaking wooden pallets into chips while magnetic separators remove nails. This dual process protects downstream equipment and produces cleaner, recyclable material. Up close, the Pronar MRS-1. 53 runs with an optimized torque-to-speed ratio, preventing kickback when shredding dense wood. Its 3D screening basket improves safety, though operators still rely on full protective gear due to unpredictable debris ejection. Behind the gates of E-Recycling International in Fresno, shredders are built to neutralize sensitive data. Rated at 20 tons per hour, these machines meet federal e-waste security standards, ensuring confidential information is unrecoverable once processed. The TPA shredder, powered by a 250 kilowatt motor, delivers over 110 0 feet-pounds of torque. That energy tears through aluminum bars, while slow-speed rotor design minimizes sparks, showing how kinetic energy and torque can coexist safely. In the past, discarded cardboard was burned or buried. With the introduction of balers, waste transformed into recyclable raw material, marking a major milestone in the recycled paper industry. Vibratory screens use spacing and oscillation to separate oversized rocks, allowing smaller fragments to pass through. Powered by hydraulic drives, they maintain steady throughput, reduce blockages, and keep operators safe in quarry operations. Every 55 minutes, these machines convert massive waste piles into reusable streams. By reducing weight and recycling metal, systems like the RICO 95DK cut transport emissions, extend fleet life, and prove that heavy industry can shrink its footprint while remaining profitable. Compared to older shears, the Squalo 3000 stands out. Though fully mobile, it outperforms many fixed units. Where traditional cutters stall on H-beams, this Italian beast powers through steel frames like warm butter. Bonfilioli car presses operate on high-pressure hydraulics, delivering hundreds of tons of force. As a vehicle enters the chamber, steel, glass, and plastic compress into a compact block, saving space and boosting sorting efficiency. Ulster shredders tear bathtubs apart using twin shafts, pushing nearly 0 feet lambs of torque. Slow rotation prevents dangerous kickback, converting kinetic energy into controlled crushing force. Imagine feeding Johannesburg's toughest waste into the VB 650. With 320 horsepower under the hood, its twin shafts don't hesitate, chewing through brutal material like a backyard chipper on steroids. From scrap to reuse, every machine here proves progress doesn't mean pollution. If you value smart power and cleaner industry, stay with us.